Hey guys, good morning. It's about 9, 5 minutes to 9, and I finally woken up now. Although my sleep cracked about 7:30, which is about 7 hours from the time I slept. But I've been up since 7:30. I've been trying to sleep, but I could not sleep after that. It's largely, I think, because of the dinner I had last night, which was late. It was excellent. I had one missy roti and I had 4 eggs for protein, right? So low carb, high protein, which is my usual meal now. Um, but I had it at 10:30 because the schedule got a bit messed up because I was hosting a gig before the 9:30 gig, so that went on till about 9:30. So I reached the venue about 9:40, and I ordered egg curry and. It takes time to prepare apparently, so whatever. So by the time it was on the table, it was 10:30 or 10:30 I finished. I don't know. So basically, it was late. Generally, I keep a difference of about 3 hours at least between the time I eat dinner and between the time I sleep. But yesterday I slept by 12:30. So I slept within 2 hours of having dinner. So that kind of messed up the morning sleep a bit. So I know what goes wrong these days with my sleep and with my food because I've been monitoring everything for a while. Do I look angry if I don't smile? I think everybody, people don't smile, they don't look good. They just look angry. Maybe they just look angry or they look stiff, they look pissed, whatever. I think it just probably happens with all of us. It probably happens with me as well. And I've been thinking about it because a couple of people told me yesterday. I was just sitting and like listening to music or thinking or whatever, and two people, of course, they're known, and they told me, "Ab gusse mein kyun?" And then this guy again repeated. He's like, "Ab gusse mein ho ya fir aapka mood kharab hai?" And I was not in gussa, na mera mood kharab tha, but I guess not smiling and not being conscious of your facial muscles, whatever, how your face, what your face shows in the moment, not being conscious of your expressions, right? That's the right word. Not being conscious of your expressions does that to you. I think we should be conscious of our expressions, the facial expressions, right? We should try and give out a positive facial expression. If you're not angry, if you're angry, then obviously the face looks angry. But most of the time, we're not angry, right? It's not that angry is our usual state. It's not. But if we don't smile, even otherwise, we do look angry, or we probably look like हमारा mood खराब है, या हम गुस्से में हैं, या हम irritated हैं. So I'll try to think about that, and be conscious of my facial expressions. Otherwise, I don't want people to feel that I'm gussa or I'm angry or whatever. I want people to feel good when they meet me, right? I want to make people happy. That's the whole purpose of my life. So I know when I'm on stage, obviously I'm very conscious of my body language. But when I'm not on stage, I'm not that conscious. But I think I should be conscious of my body language. Even I'm very playful when I'm on stage because I know my body language will transfer to the audience. Because that's the most important thing you need to know when you're on stage, right? If you're an artist or you're a performer, even if you're a speaker, your body language, your tonality, everything transfers to the audience. They sense it. So I'm very playful on stage. So I'm just looking at myself right now. If I'm looking angry, I'm not looking angry right now. So, but I guess it's a smile. Somehow, some people have a smiling face. Some people do have a smiling face, and that's great for them. I don't, so I need to be conscious of my body expressions, on my facial expressions, which I will. So I think that's the start of the day. It's 9 o'clock now. My house help is about to come. I'll make some chai and have something with it. Whenever you watch it, you have a good day, good night, and I hope you're feeling happy. I forgot something. There's this song I really like. Okay, and today is the perfect day to kind of hum that song. दुआओं में मांगी थी जो रोशनी, I can't do the alap. दुआओं में मांगी थी जो रोशनी, है नाज़िल हुई आज वो रोशनी। मुबारक ईद है, मुबारक ईद है, रहमतों से भरी मुबारक ईद है, मुबारक ईद। Hey guys, I'm in the South Point Mall and I came here to write some stuff. I've written a really nice joke which I really like. I think the way to write a joke, you stay with the subject for a while. I spent like 45 minutes to write like 3 to 4 minutes of a joke and I quite like it. It's a joke about me talking to Google Maps, which I do all the time. I'm kind of arguing with Google Maps. I know it's AI, but I end up arguing and talking to Google Maps all the time. So it's a joke about talking to. It's a whole part of my joke on not liking driving. But yeah, this joke is only about 3 to 4 minutes, so I'm pretty happy with that. Maybe I'll write another joke. Maybe I'll write something on my blog. Maybe I'll make some calls. So there's a bunch of stuff to do. There are 2 videos to review, theater and Guftagoo videos to review. So I need to do that. So a bunch of stuff to do, and I plan to leave from here about 4:15 because I have gym at 5 and 6:30 today. So yeah, that's the plan for now. I'm having some sausages now, so let's see. But so far productive. Hey guys, in the gym now. I've already done a strength session. And what was that? I did lower body. So did that. That was 5 to 6. Then since 5:55, I'm in the gym. I'm doing some crunches. And after the crunches, I'm hitting a dance class. There's gonna be 3 sessions today. I'm exhausted, but there's a dance session to do. So I'm gonna do that because next 3 days I'm gonna keep it a little lighter. Tomorrow there's a dance session. I'll do some gym before that. Then day after I'm doing just 1 session of deadlift mastery. Then Sunday I'm doing gym followed by dance. So next 3 days are relatively lighter than today. But today I had to do all 3, right? I had to because I didn't do legs this week. This was the first week I'm doing after the holiday. I came last Friday. After the last whole week I was traveling. I started last Friday, and this is the first week after holiday. I'm doing the whole week, so I'm planning to hit about 14 sessions total in the whole week. Yeah. So there's dance left today. Hey guys. I'm in the club now. I just did my spot and I'm waiting for Tushar Basra. Once he comes, I'll leave. I have another spot at theater. The bunch of stuff I'm a little hassled about, but I need to figure a lot of shit out, which I will do. I've been saying that for a while. There's a lot of stuff to figure out, and I don't know what will work, what will not work. So there's some sense of anxiety. Yeah, this joke and anxiety is a part of it. So yeah, I'm just doing this is Ashna on stage right now. And I'm just waiting for Basra. Once he comes, I'll leave. There are 2 more acts. There's Basra, there's Mangu, and there's Vikas. There's 3 acts to go. I'll leave from here for the next show. Cool. Hope you're feeling happy. Hey guys, I'm in the other green room now. The second green room of the night. Comedy Theatre's green room. I mean, every green room has a distinct quality of its own. This is a bigger green room. Although Guftagoo, the room is way bigger than this. Like it's a 90-100 seater now. This is about a 50 seater. That's not the point. The point being, I was talking about being a little anxious earlier in the previous clip. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff that's making me anxious, and I need to. Some things just need to be cleared out by time, and they will be cleared out. And I don't know how. Other things, I need to figure out, right? There's a lot of figuring out to be done. I'm experimenting with a lot of stuff. In the last 6 months, I've tried to get my weight down from 71.4 kgs to about 61.8 this morning. So that's about 10 kgs down, and I have to go under 60 hopefully by the end of the month. I don't know how I'll do it. The month is gone. There's just 3 days left. I can't fucking fast. I have to fast, but I can't fucking fast. So I need to figure out if I can do that, because by the end of June I definitely have to hit my target of 58. Otherwise I'll be really frustrated with myself. So that's one of the things to be closed. And I need to figure out, besides comedy, what other avenues I can get where I can writing. I need to start making author money videos. I need to make a channel for kids. But that's all time taking process. Everything is an investment, and I don't know what will work, what will not work. So that's making me anxious. I'm also thinking we should start looking for a job, maybe invest a few hours, a full-time job or a part-time job. So keep going, right? So I'm thinking a lot of things I need to experiment. So there's stuff making me anxious, plus there's stuff on the personal front that's making me anxious. But then, having said all of that, I got a tattoo on my right hand that says I shouldn't be alive. So like Pujari said, right? Shubham Pujari the other day when he saw this tattoo and told him why I got this tattoo, I shouldn't be alive. He said, so you mean that everything is a blessing, right? So whatever life is there, it is a blessing, and I can't afford to be negative. Alright, I just can't, because I shouldn't be alive. Alright, so yeah. Hey guys, the day review. I just got done with the second show of the day, of the night, at Comedy Theatre. I also did Guftagu. Both shows went well. I'm pretty happy with that. Great time in the gym today. I did strength, legs, and followed by some gym crunches, and followed by dance. So I did all of that. So great time spent in the gym today. The afternoon was productive. I wrote a new joke, and I wrote and I reviewed a couple of videos that I've recorded, which I have to send to my editor. So overall the day was productive, and but like I said, I'm anxious about a bunch of stuff, but at the same time something's working, right? I need to focus on the positive. Like there's a guy in the show just now, and I do these 8 jokes, and I ask people to guess my age. And this guy was 22, he's an ITN, and he's just started working, and I asked him to guess my age, and he's like a little over 25. And that's crazy because I'm 45, right? So in terms of time, I just bought 20 years, hypothetically, like in spirit at least, because I know whatever my age is, whatever life I've seen, but whatever I'm doing in terms of my health, in terms of my diet, fitness, food, sleep, seems to be working. So I'm happy about that. Obviously there's stuff I'm anxious about which I need to work on, but that's life, right? So everything can't be running right. There's a lot going wrong, but stuff's going fine also. So that's it. I think that'll be it for the night, and overall I'm pretty satisfied with the day, but there's a lot of stuff I need to work on. There's a lot of stuff I need to get going, figure out, and that's a process which I need to expedite. Okay, bye, good night.